This video will show you how to make a bar chart in Excel. I'm going to start with the same data that I used in the pie chart video, which shows the homework grade that students earned and the number of students in my spring 2018 class that earned that grade as their homework grade. So to make a bar chart, I'm going to start by highlighting all of my data, and then I'm going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to pick the very first 2D column chart option. I'm going to use vertical columns for this graph. I think they look better. Make it a little bit smaller so it all fits on my screen here. So it looks pretty good in the sense that we have a title, or we have a place to put a title, and then we have our grades at the bottom, but we don't have a label going up the vertical axis. So I'm going to change my layout, and I'm just picking this quick layout option because there's one in here that I like. See, this is layout. Layout 9 looks pretty good. It gives us places to put axis titles on both the vertical and the horizontal axis. So I'm going to change it to that layout 9. Now we don't need this series 1 label, so I'm going to click on it and then hit the delete button on my keyboard. It just makes the graph look a little bit better. But then if I click down here where it says axis title, I can type and relabel that to be the grade. And we have the number of students. And then maybe change our chart layout to be homework grade from spring 2018. And that gives us a nice bar chart in Excel.